Welcome back to Autoscope, the exterior design of the 2026 Renault Motorhome. Basic shape: it will most likely have the Renault Master's recognizable large panel vent profile with side windows added. Aerodynamics: the design will most likely concentrate more on aerodynamics for increased fuel efficiency, with cleaner lines and perhaps an integrated spoiler. Illumination: modern LED lighting will be used as standard on the headlights, taillights, and daytime running lights. External possibilities include integrated side awnings, alloy wheels, additional color choices, and even an additional storage box or bike rack at the rear. The cockpit's front chairs can be angled so they face aft and blend in with the living room. Galleries equipped with a sink, a compact compressor or tri-energy refrigerator, a gas stove, maybe induction for electric models, and a storage space for food and cooking utensils. Dining living area, a sliding or folding table, and a bed converting bench. Sleeping area, a bed that can be moved from the living area and is fixed at the back. Materials: sturdy and lightweight materials include lightweight plywood, high-quality laminates, and upholstery that is simple to clean. Storage: to optimize storage space, use overhead cabinets, underbed drawers, and hidden compartments. Engines: the current Renault Master is powered by an efficient DCI diesel engine. For 2026, we might expect less pollutants, better fuel efficiency, and perhaps a more powerful engine choice. Options for electric hybrid drivetrain: given the growing global emphasis on sustainability, it is likely that a motorhome with an all-electric E-Master will be available, offering a quieter, emission-free driving experience. Transmission: both manual and automatic transmissions will be available. Park assist suspension: adjustments to the suspension system to support the weight of the RV, ensuring comfort and stability throughout transit. Systems for heating and cooling include gas or diesel heaters for rooms and air conditioning AC in living areas, which is usually integrated into the roof.